tradition, travel, healing, trade, art. I see a lot of like people coming, like there's a lot of like healing. So I see a lot of like traditional drum circles. I see a lot of like time in the forest. I see a lot of forest bathing, and I see the government actually giving credit to people who use holistic and healing modalities instead of, so preventative holistic health, preventative medicine, integration, spirit, body, soul, mind, wholeness, healing. So I see this for like, because there's a lot of homelessness and there's a lot of, so I see Gavin Newsome all of a sudden coming up and working so I see like the homeless situation sort of like becoming enlightenment. So there's going to be like enlightenment when it comes to how to deal with those people who are homeless and addicted. There is going to be centers that will be opening up as far as helping. Those who are our most vulnerable to get the help and the healing, and the wholeness that they need back in their life. I see us coming to an age where we've come to understand that all people have a view of of life on this earth, on terra firma, bella terra, and giftings, when nurtured, propel humanity forward in a way that like I just see exponential, like compound interest is what they're showing me. It's like we figured out that like if we all get together, the happier we'll be. But it also counts with our giftings that we're all a piece of the puzzle, and if all can have the opportunity to meet their best potential in their life here on Terra, working with and creating for the most benevolent, I see, as long as that is the focus, the loving focus, it's like miracle, 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 like exponential growth in a good and healthy way, not in a dark and heavy way. I see it as coming out from that deficit, out from that darkness, and healing coming in, and patching. Like I see giant pits, and then I see like this healing balm being put on the earth. And it's like, as we heal the earth and as we heal ourselves and as we heal those who are the most vulnerable, it's like there's this symbiotic harmony that starts to happen here for all society. And I foresee, like, I see also like galactic support as well, as far as like creating the balance, helping to create that balance. But it's like, I don't know how far ahead in the future this is. I see a lot of floating things above, like forests and stuff like that. It's almost like platforms. So I don't know if this is like 100 years ahead, or because the song from the Tragically Hip just came in, you're ahead by a century. Okay, maybe. But I foresee we're starting or at the start of working. But this is, okay. So I just see a lot more trees. It's like, this is the vision, but also I was like, is it going to take 100 years to get there? But then they showed me that exponential growth. Not growth, but like, it's almost like we've been held back for so long. Like I see a slingshot, and it's like we've been held back for so long with our technology and how we can help everybody, that it's like it snaps, but it's like it gets let go, and then all of a sudden it's like it's gonna feel like we got shot out of a cannon, as far as how quickly things move and change in society for us. But it's good, because it's like this human being, as well as the beings around us that we share this earth with, as well as the earth that we get everything from, all working in symbiotic harmony. And it's like the train, like I just saw little train tracks being put together, like around like a Christmas tree, and it's like they're setting up the pieces in order to get that track going a more healing way. And so let's pray for like the most benevolent timeline and healing for all of humankind and the earth and whoever else is out there that we don't see. All